REFLECTEX Rapid Installation Concrete Pavement Interlayer System is used in unbonded concrete overlay applications between existing and new pavements and concrete overlays and over-treated bases or subgrades for new or reconstructed concrete pavements. This guide details the REFLECTEX Rapid Installation process using ProGrip adhesive. This innovative installation method is much faster and more economical than the nailing system. Before you begin the installation process, make sure that the application area is clean. Sweep or blow away any dirt, dust, and debris and ensure that the surface is dry. Ensure that you have all needed equipment, including the REFLECTEX geotextile, ProGrip adhesive, and hose with spray gun. It's also recommended to use a rolling cart or hand truck to easily transport the adhesive canister along the pavement. Assemble adhesive nozzle spray gun and canister using a wrench to tighten all connections. Slowly open the cylinder valve and inspect the connections for leaks. Tighten if necessary. Once you confirm that the connections are tight, fully open the valve. Unscrew the applicator trigger and spray a test pattern to determine the best distance from the surface required to achieve the desired spray width. Adjust the applicator spray flare fitting until the spray pattern is wide enough to achieve the desired width. Hold the spray nozzle so the tip is perpendicular to the ground when spraying, and have the tip 3 to 6 inches from the ground surface to achieve the best coverage. Apply a single continuous coat of adhesive around the perimeter of where the REFLECTEX geotextile will be laid at a pace of approximately 4 to 6 inches per second under normal conditions, or as necessary to achieve the desired spray width. On average, one 30-pound canister of adhesive will allow for approximately 600 linear feet of installation. Allow adhesive to dry properly before bonding. Dry time can vary depending on wind, temperature, humidity, and coat weight. Typical dry time is 1 to 5 minutes. To check for dryness, use your fingernail to press into the adhesive and lift up. Any adhesive transfer or legginess indicates that the adhesive requires more time to dry. If adhesive feels tacky but there's no transfer or legginess, the adhesive is ready for bonding. The adhesive should be covered with REFLECTEX geotextile within 1 hour of application. Position REFLECTEX carefully as a strong bond is made instantly upon contact. Install REFLECTEX taut over the adhesive without wrinkles and apply uniform pressure over the entire bonded area with a minimum recommended pressure of 25 psi. On large projects, a small drum roller is the preferred method for applying uniform pressure. For overlaps, apply the same amount of adhesive directly along the edge of the previously installed REFLECTEX geotextile. Once the REFLECTEX is bonded to the adhesive, it can be covered immediately with the concrete overlay. Make sure to allow at least 6 inches of REFLECTEX to extend beyond both edges of the new concrete pavement. The REFLECTEX geotextile is designed to channel water through pavement. The 6-inch tail on the outside of the pavement allows for overlap bonding and may be connected to a drainage system to funnel water away from the pavement.